Good morning, students. Welcome back to my module 7 lecture of your subject code CPC 505 Environmental Engineering 2. We are discussing last day, that is the building plumbing. In continuation of building plumbing, today I will discuss the part of the building plumbing. Part 1 already we have discussed the preliminary introduction. Now this plumbing system for house drainage. What are the systems in plumbing we are following in our building? That is very important. Now I am telling you system. Let me first describe that plumbing system for house drainage. First one is the uh, one pipe system. What do you mean by one pipe system? Because combined stack means pipe. That combined stack for soil. Soil means the pipe which carrying the excreta. That in previous lecture I have already described what is soil pipe. So the combined stack for pipe for soil and the wastewater with anti-siphonage pipe, that is called the one pipe system. Now the what is two pipe system? Independent stacks or independent pipes. Here stacks means pipes for soil and wastewater with anti-siphonage pipes, ASP. So there are the pipes provided for soil pipe is separate, as well as the wastewater pipeline is separate. Then it is called the two pipe system. Then what is single stack system? One pipe system I have already narrated you. What is single stack system? Here also, like one pipe, it is a combined stack for soil and wastewater, but there is a difference between the one pipe system and the single stack system lies in here. In the single stack system, there is no anti-siphonage pipe. So combined stack for soil and wastewater without anti-siphonage pipe. Now let us consider the single stack partially ventilated pipe. Single stack partially ventilated pipe. What is that? This is via media between one pipe and the single stack. Only soil traps are ventilated. Here the soil traps are only ventilated. Wastewater is not ventilated. That is the special characteristics of this single stack partially ventilated system. So let us see what is single pipe, what is single stack, what is double pipe, one pipe system. First of all, I am showing you the figure first, because unless and until the drawing is very clear to you, you will not even understood. It will not be understood. So this is the enlarged view. You can see that the cowl is there for exiting the gases, very fine. But right side, it is a single pipe system. That is the one of the plumbing system I am going to tell. You see that the right pipe is the MSW. What is MSW? The municipal soil water pipe. Soil water pipe. So the abbreviation of MSWP is, it is also written here. The MSWP is I mean to say main soil cum waste pipe. Main soil cum waste pipe. That means MSW means it carries the soil pipe as well. It carries the soil. It acts as a soil pipe as well as the waste pipe. That means it is carrying the soil excreta from the water closet as well as the wastewater from the bathroom, kitchen, and toilet. So MSWP, main soil waste pipe. Again, I am telling MSWP is main soil waste pipe. So this is a single pipe. Only one pipe is a combined pipe system of the soil and the waste pipe. So that's why it is called main soil waste pipe. And the left one portion is the main vein pipe, because vein pipe should be there for escaping the gas at a certain height above the building level. Cowl, in both cases, whether it is a main vein pipe or it is a main soil waste pipe, it is over there for escaping the gases. Now you see the main soil waste pipe, which I am showing the figure. Here the soil from the WC, that is the water closet, that is the cistern is connected, as I have seen you, as I have shown you, and the wastewater from the sink, basin, kitchen, bathroom, floors, toilet also coming into that MSWP. So it acts as a function, both function is a combined function carrying combined function of the soil pipe as well as the waste pipe it is carrying, this MSWP pipe. So since this is a combined pipe, so this is called the single pipe. Now inspection door is there at a certain level to maintain for maintaining purpose whether it is any blockage in the pipe or not. So you see here urinals are there, so already pipes are connected to the MSW, and finally it goes to the either the septic tank provided in our own house or the street sewer. So where the sewer is going, it is a gravity flow, vertical flow. Ultimately, all the connected sewer it is going to the MSWP. That is the main soil come waste pipe. It is going towards the down to the septic tank or the street sewer. This is exactly what the typical one pipe system. Now the in questions, in semester question, it is frequently the question is coming the draw the plumbing system of two-story building or three-story building. Only you have to go on increasing the floor. In this case, I am showing you the two-story building, but it can be upwards if the three-story or four-story the question is coming. So this is the simple way you have to make a schematic diagram if the question asked in the interview. Total system, that is one combined system of the MSWP where which acts as a soil pipe as well as the wastewater pipe, both is a combined way. And another you see it is connected with the main ventilator pipe in the another side, in the left side, which is also connected. You see horizontally connected, and the vent pipe just escaping the foul gases 1 meter minimum above the height of the roof. So this is all about the. Now let me see what the lecture note says, which is being prepared by me. So let me highlight to the theoretical portion. So you have seen what is a one pipe system. We have seen the separate drain pipe is provided in this system. That is a very significant portion of the one pipe system. Always there is a separate drain pipe, as I am showing you in the figure. It is clear from the study of sketch that in comparison to single stack system, this system is costly and difficult to construct because it is costly and difficult to construct. Now ventilation is provided through sewage pipe and the soil pipe too, because we have connected the ventilation pipe to the combined pipe, that is the main soil waste pipe. So it is connected the soil pipe, that is the as well as the waste pipe, that is the sewage pipe also. So it is combined with both of them. So this is a points to be noted down in the single pipe system, and arrangement of pipe work is very difficult. In this case, we have found. Now, next we will discuss two pipe system. Again, I am going to first photograph, then we will come back to the theory portion, because the schematic diagram is very important. This will come in the question. Two pipe system means, you see, the municipal soil pipe and municipal waste pipe, that means MSP or MWP. Earlier you have seen it is in a combined single pipe, where here it is being separated out. That is in main soil pipe, only the soil will be carried, and in main waste pipe only the liquid will be carried. So that is the two pipes separately has been drawn. So what is MSP? MSP is the main soil pipe, and what is MWP? That is the main waste pipe. So one is the liquid and is the excreta portion will be going. Now you see the foul gases again will be escape to the main vent pipe MVP. Now that MVP is connected, as you can see, is connected with the MWP as well as the MSP. So there are, since there are two pipes MSP and MWP, so there are also the two MVP, that is the main vent pipes, because one main vent pipe is connected with the MSP and the another main vent pipe is connected with the MWP. So this is the thing. Now you see the, which you can see here, apart from the main pipes, some branch connection is there. Suppose you can see the branch vent pipe, you can see in the figure. So branch vent pipe is connecting to the inspection door. Then the BSP is branch soil pipe. Similarly, the branch waste pipe BWP is also, you can see over in the figure. BWP is also there. That portion, horizontal portion is BWP, because from the kitchen trap and from the toilet, through the horizontal BWP, it is connected to the vertical pipeline. That is called the main waste pipe. Similarly, through branch soil pipe, it is connected to the vertical main soil pipe. So this is the thing. So I think I have been able to show the photographs and explain the photographs. Now coming to the theory part. Now theory part, I am telling you, water closet, bath traps, kitchen traps and wash basin traps, all are connected to the vent pipe. Everything we can see in the figure, everything. This is the two pipe system. Now separate soil pipe and waste pipes are provided. That is why it is called the two pipe system, because two pipe means one is the soil pipe and another is the waste pipe, are separately considered. Similarly, two vent pipes are provided, because one with the soil pipe and another with the waste pipe. So there are four stakes in this system. Four stakes means not four stakes. The spelling is mistake. I am sorry. Four stacks. That means four pipes in this system. One is the main soil pipe, main waste pipe. Another is the main vent pipe. Two numbers. So four stacks. Four pipes are there. It is efficient system, no doubt, but costlier than other one. Okay. Obviously, the piping cost is more, number of pipe is more. So we have narrated the what is the single pipe system, what is the two pipe system, that we have described. Now the single stack system. Again, I told you the difference between the single pipe system and the single stack system is, in the single pipe, their ASP is their anti-siphon pipe, but in the single stack system, the ASP is not there. Here it is without ASP. So first of all, we are uh, more or less we understand the figure first. I will show you the figure later on. First of all, only single pipe acts as soil pipe and waste pipe and ventilation pipe. That means single pipe acts soil, waste and ventilation. I mean to say, this is called the single stack system. Okay. Then what we have described, single stack system is basically where it is the all the pipes are connected in a single pipe. That is, only single pipe acts as soil pipe. That will also represent as waste pipe and the ventilation pipe. So all three pipes. That's why it is called single stack or single pipe. Now this is poorly ventilated system. So what is the difference between one pipe system and the single pipe system? Now one pipe system, ventilator are separate, but in single pipe, it is covering ventilator, all ventilator. I mean to say the soil pipe and the waste pipe are all three are in the same pipeline. So that is the significance of the single pipe. And it is purely poorly ventilated system, because since there is not a separate ventilator like other earlier we have described, so the same pipe in single pipe, so definitely it is a poorly ventilated system, not so healthy system of the ventilation we have found. It is simply a system and easy to construct. Yes, all made in one construction in single pipe. So whether it is a ventilator pipe, whether it is a soil pipe, whether it is a sewer pipe. Now it is simply system and easy to construct. Definitely that definitely can be observed. Now risk of water seal breaking in the trap. Risk of water seal breaking in the trap is high because of induced siphonage. So here we are not providing the I mean to say the ASP, that is the anti-siphon pipe. So there is always a risk of water seal breaking in the trap. And in other case, we have found there is a ASP is there. So that is the basic difference between the single pipe and the one pipe. Waste or air of the waste pipe may be forced up due to back pressure. So this is the single stack or single pipe. I have told you the last piping system, last system of this plumbing. That is the fourth. That is the partially ventilated single stack system. Partially ventilated single stack system. Now, following are the features of the system. Only water closet traps are ventilated. Traps, only water closet traps are ventilated. That I have very beginning told you. So traps of baths, wash basins, kitchen are not joined with the vent pipe. And this is the economical system. It is required to maintain water seal 75 milliliter or more. That is minimum 75 milliliter. It is simple. It has simple arrangement of pipes that you can see. Now let me share you the views of the partially ventilated single system. Okay. You see the ventilator MSWP, definitely there is a single pipe, that is the main soil waste pipe, and you see the right portion, that is the MVP main vent pipe. It is only connected to the water closet part, that is the cistern WC, but not connected to other sewage water. So that is the special characteristics to be seen in this type of I mean to say the separate what it is called, the separate uh, partially ventilated single stack system. Why partially ventilated? Because it is the only ventilator is being used only for the is connected with the WC. So it is ventilator is partially connected, not connected with the whole system. That's why it is called the partially connected, partially ventilated single stack system. So these photographs again I am sharing with you. Here in the, you see connection, that pipe connection fittings are the major things. Again and again I am telling you, is in the plumbing portion. It is a special branch of engineering under the civil engineering domain, plumbing. So you see how the connection has been taken place, where you can see where the lowest branch is less than 300 centimeter above, then MVP to connect to MSWP below lowest branch or terminate. Anyway, the special characteristics of the separate ventilation system, partial ventilated system, has been observed. Now I am going to the next portion. Choice of plumbing system. So many plumbing systems we have described. Now, what will be your choice? Finally, what will be a choice? So, selection of plumbing system is very, very important. Now, then you have to know your choice is depends on the advantages and disadvantages at the end of the day. So, whatever the plumbing system we are describing, you have to understand what are the advantages of this system and what are the disadvantages of this system, and then you have to go for choice of plumbing system, you have to go for the selection of the plumbing system. Now, advantages of the two-pipe system, advantages of the just a minute. Fine. Advantage of two-pipe system, what is that? Two-pipe system advantage, that means when you are talking for the separate of the soil pipe and separate for the waste pipe. So what are the advantages? Now, these ensure segregation of foul sewage from wastewater, no danger or backflow of sewage in waste fittings in case of blockage of soil pipe. Because we have maintained separately, so there is no question of backwash. I mean to say the backflow of sewage in waste fittings in case of blockage of soil pipe. If there is any chance of blockage of soil pipe, so there is no question of the backflow of the soil pipe into the sewer pipe into the waste pipe, because two are the separate system we are maintaining over. So that is one of the main advantage, but it enables use of waste matter directly for irrigation and gardening. Yes, because it is not mixing up with the soil, so separate waste matter can be used, can be directly discharged to the irrigation or gardening purpose. Separate wastewater stack permits arrest of solids from kitchen in the gully trap, thus preventing it from entering sewer. Gully traps needed to be cleaned periodically. So that while teaching you the gully traps, then it was observed, and finally I am going to elaborate in the plumbing system also. So here, separate wastewater system stack, which are talking about for two different pipes, there it permits the arrest of solids from kitchen because the pipe is separate. So definitely the waste pipe, since it is separate, it will permit the arrest of solids which should not be going into the pipe from entering the sewer. Gully traps means to be cleaned periodically. From kitchen in the gully trap, yes. Now disadvantage of two pipes. Difficult to install in high-rise building, whereas tracks, okay, fine. When you are talking for the low second two-story or three-story or four-story building, then it is fine the two-pipe system. But when we are talking for the multi-story building, 10 story and above, then it is very difficult to install the two separate pipes in high-rise buildings, where stacks terminate in service floors or in the ceiling of the basement. Now, then in so the two pipe system choice will not be applicable in the highest building. It will be very clear. Now, long horizontal runs to reach external walls, external sewers. Provisions of gully trap difficult to implement in above situation. These are the advantages I am going to tell you. Now, require more shaft duct space, because more pipe means more shaft duct space is also utilized. The more space is, more duct is there. That is one of the that is another disadvantage I am going to tell. Now, uh, two pipe system, the disadvantage last time I have to mention that congested shaft results. Congested shaft results in difficult to maintain system used in India as a matter of convention and conservative, as a matter of convention and conservative uh, approach. So this you have to maintain the disadvantage and advantage you have to see, and you have to take the decision. Like high-rise building, definitely we don't have any choice of the two pipe. Now we are talking for the one pipe. What are the advantages? Now largely replace two pipe system in most developed countries. fast becoming preferred system in other parts of the world. High quality pipe. This is very in high-rise building. The special application of this single pipe system is there. So it will be convenient for the construction as well as high quality pipes, fittings and installation techniques available these days. So the constant flow of water ensures reduction in blockage problem. Eliminately gully traps thus precludes the need to clean the gully traps this waste material. Now require less shaft or dark space as it is single pipe system. Definitely dark side will be also less, obviously, and highly economical in terms of the cost because it is single pipe, so cost will automatically be low, and then quick to construction and commissioning. It can be constructed and commissioned very quickly because the number of activity, construction activity is less compared to the two pipe system. Now, what is the disadvantage of one pipe system? The disadvantage is danger of backflow of sewage in waste fitting because it is a combined system. So, definitely there may be chance of backflow from the soil pipe into the sewer pipe. Now, two pipe system is a utility safe system. Advantage where wastewater recycled for use in the gardening, etc. Now, reasoning behind the segregation of the soil and waste stacks has been to put second line of defense in the form of trapped gully against passage and sewer air into the building via waste fixtures. This was considered a serious defect this was considered a serious defect since the foul air from waste pipe into a building may be as objectionable as foul air from soil pipe. So it was considered that there is no second line of defense and separate pipe for wastewater is not required. So now we are going for the advantage and disadvantage of choice of plumbing system. So one pipe system, let us see. The one pipe system is to be preferred. One pipe system is to be preferred where building provides for suitable grouping of all soil and waste appliances and where all types of waters are taken to a common sewer to the place of disposal of treatment. Now, trap seal of 40 mm and 50 mm for waste and soil water respectively considered sufficient safeguard. In addition, following safeguards are to be taken. What are the safeguards? Now, each waste pipe connected above soil branch to common stack. Again, I repeat, each waste stack connected above soil branch to common stack. All traps shall be ventilated by loops vents by a pipe not less than 50 mm. Modern trend is to go for partially ventilated one pipe or single stack system. So this is all about the choice of the piping system. So what the modern ventilation system is telling us, for going for the partial ventilation system or the single piping system. No two pipe system is being recommended in the modern or high-rise building we are talking for. So let us know the size of the stack, that is the size of the pipe, size of the dia of the pipe which have been used in plumbing system. If you go for the 4-story up to 4-story building, then 100 mm dia for single stack system up to 4-story. If you go for the 15 stories, then obviously the diameter is going to increase because usage will be more. So 150 millimeter dia single stack up to 50 story. If you go for the beyond 50 story, then uh, one pipe system use 150 millimeter, you see, converted from single pipe to one pipe, single pipe to one pipe system. Now, in high-rise buildings, partially ventilated one pipe or single stack system is being used, where vent stack is connected to the drainage stack or the soil appliances at each or alternative floor. Now, following safeguards are to be taken in such a system. What safeguards are to be taken? The vertical distance between waste branch and soil branch shall not be less than 20 centimeter. Again, I am repeating, vertical distance between the waste branch and the soil branch should not be less than 20 centimeter. If WB or sink, that is waste basin or sink, directly connected to main stack, they shall have 75 millimeter minimum water seal trap for branch connection, or less than 75 millimeter dia, or 50 millimeter for branch connection, more than 75 millimeter dia. These are the fixture units of the water supply. That is the size is given, that absolute ablution tap is 12, bath tap shower 15 millimeter. These are the size of the pipe of the inlet pipe connecting with the fixtures. Now sink and drain board, the pipe is 15 millimeter. Then the drinking fountain is 9 millimeter. Kitchen sink domestic connected pipe is 50 millimeter. Waste basin 9 millimeter. Wash basin 9 millimeter. Wash basin. Now shower connected with shower is 15. Urinal is 15. WC flush tank is 12. WC flush, I mean to say, WC flush valve, there is 25. These are the corresponding sizes given. So one pipe system up to 30 stories is 100 millimeter. Two pipe system, soil pipe up to 125 stories is 100 millimeter. Waste pipe up to 62 stories is 100 millimeter. Single stack system up to 4 stories is 100 millimeter. Up to 50 stories is 150 millimeter. Now horizontal pipe system, one pipe system up to 13 stories is 100 millimeter. 14 to 52 stories is 100 millimeter. In case of two pipe system, soil pipe up to 40 stories is 100. Then up to 20 stories is 100, and 21 to 70 stories is 150. So this is a typical example of toilet in a high-rise building. The photograph I'm showing you. Although the photograph seems to be very clumsy, I am showing you the each and every item. Now 110 millimeter outdoor UPVC, that is the vertical soil pipe. Generally the soil pipe of the UPVC and drinking water pipe are the CPVC. That is very clear. Now again 110, if you see number 1, now what is 1? Here it is 1, as shown in the figure. It is the 110 millimeter OD pipe UPVC. Then the 110 millimeter OD UPVC vertical pipe is 2. Okay, UPVC 2. Then 90 millimeter OD pipe UPVC vertical waste pipe is again 2. Then these are the, in the drawing it is shown some UPVC rainwater pipe also. This is rainwater pipe size also. Float trap is being shown. Float drain shown. Float clean out is float drain, that is also shown. Now the vertical drain pipe also being shown. So this is a typical plan of the floor plan of the toilet, indicating the plumbing system that has been tried to shown over here. So this lecture note definitely I will share to everybody, so you will get a further. Now, what is the source from where we have prepared the material? Sources of the, obviously you can salute to National Building Code in India, where the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS, where typically all the plumbing system has been narrated. Apart from that, we have taken the help from the handbook of the water supply drainage, that is SP35. Reference book, you can refer the BC Purnia, and the S. Charanjit Shah book is also very important. These references we have taken for the lecture, this lecture note which I am going to show you. So, two lectures on the plumbing have been given to you. Another two lectures will be provided in the next two classes. So, students, I will uploading the lecture notes today which I have taught you in the Google Classroom. Kindly have a glance, and live classroom interaction class will be taken place for doubt clearing class. For any question clarification will be done. So thank you everybody. Have a nice day to all.